So now that you know why we need Docker, let's get started with it. How do you install it? You just visit docker.com. You can just Google docker.com or Docker and you'll find this. And once there, you can click on Get Started. This is Docker Desktop, and you can use this for the latest version of Mac or for Windows. Now, the challenge with Windows is there are Windows home users and Windows professional users. So the operating system has home as well as the professional and business editions. So if you are having Windows Home, then this installation will not work for you. So what's the alternative? If you try, it will fail. Either you upgrade your license to Windows Professional, and at this time in 2020 it costs around 7,000 rupees more, approximately 7,000 rupees more, to upgrade from Windows Home to Windows Professional. The alternative way is to look for Docker ToolBox. So search Google for Docker ToolBox, and Docker ToolBox is for older Mac and Windows system that do not meet the requirements of the latest Docker called the Docker Desktop. Now you can read the details of why and what and all, but for general purpose, for your learning, it wouldn't be an issue if you go ahead and install Docker ToolBox. So now that you have installed Docker ToolBox, you just have to download it and install it. After that, you can watch the next video.